Hey guys, I'm Audrey from Piping Hot Artworks, where we turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. And today, my nephew and I are going to be showing you how you paint pipe in 5 different metallic colors. So if you love industrial home decor, stick around. We've got a lot more. Okay, so the first paint we are testing is a copper rose color by Rust-Oleum. It is a primer and paint in one. Let's go ahead and try the copper rose. Try 6 inches from the pipe itself, and you're going to lightly spray up and down, and we'll slowly rotate it. Oh, look at that. Oh, all right, keep rotating. Actually, that's looking pretty nice. I think that it's looking pretty even. Okay, then let's do a light cropping of the threads one time and call this one. Okay, you may have to add more than one coat to both your threads on either side of your pipe, along with the holes inside of the flange. Our next paint is a Rust-Oleum aged metallic weathered steel. Uh-oh, malfunction. Oh, we got it. Boy, that one really drips. Well, I think we should actually grab a sponge paintbrush
Wipe that down.
and wipe it down a little bit. Yeah. So, to be continued, camera. There are a couple reasons why paint would drip like this. One is painting too close to the object. And next would be that you're just spraying in one spot. You should be trying to distribute the spray can all over the place. And lastly, there could be a defect with the actual nozzle where it's clogged in one portion. Our next paint is Rust-Oleum hammered copper in a can. Okay, so we are going to be trying the copper, which looks awesome when you're swirling it. Well, I'm just trying to get a thin layer on this, which I know it looks a little goofy. And then I will go back and make sure I didn't miss any pieces. Smooth it out. But it's really looking mottled, I think is the word.
Term.
Yeah. But it kind of messes with your mind because you really do feel like you're messing up. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I bought this paint can a couple months ago and I totally forgot that it was hammered effect. So when I first started, I was a little worried about how it was coming out. But actually, it looked really cool when it was all done, as you can see here. So keep the finish in mind when you are selecting your paint. Rust-Oleum's Ultra Cover Metallic Silver Can is what we're doing next. This is metallic silver. Make sure that the stick goes all the way to the bottom of the can. Okay, well then just start swirling in a circular motion. I don't know, it's kind of starting to remind me of the Terminator, you know, like the bad guy who was made out of like this liquid metal. Or what's that one X-Men's guy? So you're going to try and remember to push the paintbrush into the holes so that you're getting the inside of the flange holes. It's looking a little soupy, so I think on your next run, less paint. So try and scoop some of that, no, extra paint from the flange onto the nipple, which is the middle portion. Yeah. Look at that hair from the brush. I got it. You're safe. You're safe. This one should have provided a typical chrome finish, but I will admit it was very difficult to work with in the can. I think in the future trying to use it in an airbrush gun would be better. I may do a video on that, not sure yet. Okay, last color. Flat, soft, iron. Let's see if it's flat or soft. Ooh, looks glittery. This one actually looks really sparkly and fun. But still sophisticated. Okay, so we're all complete. This is just one coat on all of the pipes, and I was a little surprised by the results. To be honest, I didn't think I would like any of the copper ones, but the copper rose is actually my favorite. It looks super sparkly and glittery in person, and I think it would be a great accent to any room. Of the traditional steel colors, I'm actually leaning towards the flat, soft iron. It truly is flat and soft. It was also my nephew's favorite. So this one I think is a great alternative to just using plain black, and it does have a little bit of sheen to it. So it still gives you that manly, rustic appearance, but looks pretty trendy as well. So thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate the fact that you guys are watching and that you're interested in industrial home decor just like me. So if you would like to get more, go ahead and hit subscribe, then ring the bell. That way you get notified every time that we are on YouTube. Thank you very much. Have a good one.